Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to connect a game controller or gamepad to Android devices to play PP games. First of all, we need to have a normal game controller and OTG, and you need to download an app which allows you to connect the game controller to Android device from Play Store, that is USB or Bluetooth joystick app, which is available from Play Store. You need to download and install that in your mobile so as to connect the game controller. So now let's get started. Connect your game controller to mobile through OTG, and after connecting you will find that power on and off in your game controller. This shows that game controller is now enabled. Click on the app you have downloaded, and in the top left corner enable the icon by clicking it. Select USB and the device will scan for the USB devices. Click on OK and you will get a generic joystick disabled icon. Just click on to enable it. You will find some keys which were assigned defaultly. Moreover, 4 to 5 keys that are assigned to L1, L2, J1, R1, R2 in gamepad. If you want to assign manually the controllers for the gamepad, you need to go for the settings of PPSSPP. I will show you how to do that. First of all, go for PPSSPP emulator, which is used to play PSP games that you can download from Play Store. Go for settings, click on controls. Now controlling map. You need to clear all the assigned buttons. Manually assign the keys by selecting, as I have shown. I selected D-pad up and it got assigned, and so on. Assign all the keys by clicking and tap on the gamepad control. It will get assigned automatically. Now I am saying I am selected down right key, selected right one, so it got assigned. O in my game controller, O is not the only 1 2 3 4, so I have selected that button. Next X, click on X, selected that. This symbol assigned. Normal, this will be the back key assigned. You will find start and select keys also, and you have that start and select key in the game controllers. So click on start, it will get assigned so as to select the select key. Click on that select key. Click on that select key, it got assigned. And you have L1 and R1 in the gamepads, and assign the keys. Now mapping has been done. Let's see how the gameplay will be. Now you can see I'm using my controllers to select the game. See the gameplay now. Let's get started. You can see that this game controller is working perfectly with this PPSSPP emulator. For will be rated. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.